Prompting, the act of crafting inputs for AI models, occupies a fascinating space between technical skill and creative art. As the primary mechanism for interacting with large language models, prompting requires both precision and ingenuity. This reading explores how prompting can be considered both an art and a technical skill, emphasizing the importance of creativity, terminology, and balance. Prompting as an art prompting can be viewed as an art form due to the nuanced and creative approach required in designing effective inputs. Expression and creativity. Just as an artist manipulates colors and forms, a user must artfully craft language to elicit specific and meaningful responses from AI. For example, the tone, phrasing, and structure of a prompt can influence the response quality. Tailoring to context. Different tasks demand different approaches. Whether summarizing complex data or generating a fictional story, the ability to adapt the prompt to the context is akin to an artist selecting the right medium for their work. In essence, the artistic aspect of prompting lies in the user's ability to think creatively and tailor their language for optimal impact. The role of creativity in prompt design. Creativity and novel thinking in prompt design are critical for extracting the best results from an AI model. Choosing the right terminology. Precise language and well-selected terms guide the AI model toward the desired output. For example, specifying scientific analysis versus general explanation in a prompt can significantly alter the response. Framing the task. Framing a request creatively allows the model to explore its capabilities more effectively. For instance, asking an AI to imagine you are a teacher explaining this to a 10-year-old adds clarity and context to the response. Iterative refinement. Creativity also involves testing, revising, and improving prompts. Each iteration provides insight into how the AI understands instructions, enabling the user to optimize their approach. Creativity in prompting ensures not just functionality, but precision, relevance, and innovation in the model's responses, balancing technical skills and artistic thinking. While prompting requires creativity, it also demands a solid technical understanding to balance the artistic and engineering aspects effectively. Understanding AI limitations. A technically skilled user knows how AI processes language and recognizes its boundaries. This knowledge enables more informed and strategic prompt design, combining structure with innovation. A successful prompt blends the rigidity of a structured query with the flexibility of open-ended creativity. For example, a well-balanced prompt might begin with a clear instruction, summarize this article, and include a creative angle using a storytelling approach. Developing prompt engineering expertise. Technical skills, such as understanding how specific keywords or structures affect the model, enhance the user's ability to produce reliable and repeatable results while leaving room for creative exploration. Balancing these two elements ensures that prompting is neither overly rigid nor too ambiguous, making it a powerful tool for leveraging AI. Prompting is both an art and a technical skill, requiring users to creatively craft inputs while understanding the underlying mechanics of AI models. By combining creativity with technical knowledge, users can refine their approach to achieve precision, innovation, and effectiveness in AI interactions. Whether solving a personal challenge, tackling an organizational task, or addressing a broader societal issue, mastering the dual aspects of prompting unlocks the full potential of generative AI.